This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wiper blade renewal. Depress the clip and slide the blade away from the arm. If you raise the arm from the windscreen, be careful to avoid the arm snapping back and shattering the glass. Slide the new blade onto the arm until the clip engages. Gently lower the arm down on the screen. Pull the arm away from the rear screen and unclip the blade by pushing the central part away from the arm. Be careful to avoid the arm snapping back and shattering the glass after the blade has been removed. Fit the new blade by clipping it back onto the arm.